Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to take better care of your scalp? Well, you might want to consider getting this awesome little device. This is by TTY True You. This little unit makes it super easy to apply oil to my scalp. I really like that it has soft silicone bristles, and at the end you can see that each of them has a tiny hole, allowing the oil to come through whenever I use it. Using my fingertips really wasn't enough, and I found that the oil actually got onto the ends of my hair before it even got to my scalp because I have really thick hair. But thanks to the long bristles on this, I can really get in and apply the oil thoroughly to my scalp. I also really like that it's easy to fill this unit. On the back it has a cover and it has a silicone opening so that you can open it up and add in your oil or whatever you use to apply to your scalp. The holes at the ends of the silicone bristles are very small, so be sure to use an oil or a liquid or vinegar that will easily come through. But you'll find that it really gets into your hair and onto your scalp much easier. The unit itself is super cute and it comes in a really nice gift box, so it would make a sweet little gift for someone or for yourself. It's very easy to grip and use when I'm applying oil to my scalp, and my scalp absolutely loves getting the oil directly, thanks to this awesome little baby unit. But that's just my point of view.